Hi everyone, I'm Laura. This video is part 3 of our Phonics for Beginners series. Today we will talk about the long vowel sounds and complex consonant sounds. If you have missed part 1 and 2, please check the links in the description below. Let's get started. When the vowels A, E, I, O, and U are followed by a consonant plus E, they produce the same sound as their alphabet pronunciation. A, cake, tape. E, complete, seen. I, like, 9. O, rope, joke. U, cube, use. Here are other ways to spell the long vowel sounds. This is by no means an exhaustive list, but they're the most commonly found in my opinion. So let's go through them again from A to U. A, play, may. A, paint, rain. E, on its own is long at the end of a word, as in he, me. E, bee, sleep. E, eat, wheat. E, key, monkey. I, pie, tie. O, on its own is long at the end of a word, as in go, tomato. O, bow, snow. OW is sometimes pronounced ow, as in now. O, boat, coat. U, few, new. Oo, glue, blue. Here are other vowel sounds, although their pronunciation is more complex. Oo, room, moon. OO is sometimes pronounced as a short sound, as in look. Ow, house, mouse. Oi, toy, boy. Oi, oil, coin. Now we're going to talk about complex consonants made of 2 letters. Ch, check, cheese. F, photograph, elephant. Sh, shop, she. TH is pronounced in 2 different ways. Place your tongue between your teeth and try to pronounce the sound S. Th, th. Thursday, tooth. Now try to pronounce the sound Z. Th, this. Father. W, mostly pronounced as a W, like in what, why. However, WH is also pronounced as in who. That's it for today. Next time we will talk about end-of-word phonics and three-letter sounds. Thank you for watching. Until then, keep practicing.